Ta-da! That's right, guys. 3.6 liter. I'm not sure what's under there as far as exhaust. I really have no way to let the car up and find out, but it's doable, guys. For those of you that want a real loud, high performance sounding 3.6 liter engine, it's doable. Okay, now there's some guys out there that has done it. Okay, if you've done it or you know how it's done, please listen to comments, because there's a lot of guys I know want their 360 to sound like this. They are pretty upset that they didn't get the Hemi. They actually saved a lot of money by not getting the Hemi. They're not interested in speed, but they are interested in sounds. Okay, so they would gladly be happy with a high performance sound as opposed to a high performance running car. Okay, they just want the loud sound, guys. So, but with a 3.6 liter engine, it is doable. Okay, so just wanted to bring that to y'all's attention, guys. Now let's go this way, man. I'm gonna leave this running for a while. Let's go this way. All of this for a headlight. I'm just saying, I'm in shock. I'm in awe. I can't believe this. Dude, man, you know you hanging on some wires right here. Yeah, hurry up. That ain't gonna stop it. Oh, you going in with it? Oh, coming out. Oh, you going in? Damn. Dude, man, I think there's a better way. What? To put the headlight assembly in it.
Yeah, assembly, not above. That's just the story, but the whole assembly.
Where's the old assembly?
I put it back inside, I'll get it cracked. That's what I'm saying. Well, I cracked it, that's all I'm saying.
Oh no. No way around it, guys. No shortcuts. The bumper gotta partially come off to get the freaking headlights on. Hey, dude. Hurry up, cause you stretching the shit out of that. Oh, I can't bear to watch. Oh, so you can't get to the boats in order to, with the bumper on, you can't get to the boat. That was fairly easy. That was fairly easy. These cars made of paper, man. The hell, you? Yeah, we can all be body men now. Like going to body work. All right, guys. That was pretty interesting. One of the young guys, he didn't know that the bumper had to come off to do a headlight assembly. All right, guys, let's go this way.
Yeah, you know how the normal ones, they have the oil on them?
Yeah.
Just instead of putting oil on it, they paint it. So
I don't get it. It looked like it's a cut up groove rotor from here.
All you gotta do is drive. Just drive like 10 minutes. It will take all of this off. It'll look like a new rotor.
But it's gonna stick to the pad, right?
No, it burns it off.
So ain't nothing wrong with the rotors.
No.
Cause from back there, you go, oh shit.
Oh yeah.
Man. It looks like it.
Oh goddamn.
Oh. You said Mercedes do this? Oh, they do. They rotors are gray, but once the brake pad hit it, it turns into this silver chrome. That's crazy. God, no matter how long you be in the business, in the industry, you still can pick up a few things. From a distance, I swear it looked like this rotor was grooved. Yeah, this is a brand new pad. So he said these are new. It just was finished in black. But after the brake pad do its thing, it's gonna scrape all these out. Scrape all this out and it's gonna be silver again. So you can actually see what all the brake pad is contacting, which is the outer edge of the rotor. Wow, go figure. Yeah, this is that same Challenger I came back here earlier. Just look at, I thought he was gonna do brake job. Matter of fact, if you look at that last piece of footage, I was like, these brakes are worn. Hey, this in, you know what they got? A Wrangler? Oh, they went bigger. They went SUV. They wanted to play? So they got tired of speed.
Yeah. They want off-road.
They went from speed to off-road. Okay. That's a good trade-off. Maybe they got too many tickets in this. What happened?
Yeah, that's not.
How did you notice that?
Because the paint's not the same. Up here, look how pretty the paint job is.
Oh, it's been wrecked. And did they factor all that in?
No.
Huh? When they traded in, they didn't look at this? Ain't that what the appraisal's supposed to do? I heard that was a killer. That's a badass. Gary got one and Eric got one. Fuel Milwaukee. Huh?
There's one better now, though.
The Milwaukee make?
Yeah.
Cost more? I bet that is expensive.
$100.
Oh, that's it? That ain't bad. Home Depot?
It might have been like 150, something like that. It was less than $200.
Home Depot?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
But
gonna have
that's
to
without a
get
battery. I already had the battery.
it. M18. Home Depot, guys. I'm going to give me one of these M18. Damn. So when I do my little side fuel brushless. All right, I've been convinced. I'm convinced. 'Cause I seen a guy take truck tires off with that. All right, guys, I'm about done. I just wanted to come back here and see what my buddy was doing. So he said they traded this in and moved over to the Wrangler. So one or two reasons why that would happen. Too many speeding tickets, or you just sick of speed, you want to go off-roading. Speed to off-road. All right, guys, let's go back on this side. Let's see what's going on.